Government, on behalf of the President, Honorable Matia Kasaija is driving on behalf of the President.
Enganzi y'ihanga Robin Nabanja yakwasa abebembezi za districts za Bunyoro za tractors government bahire kurabira mu kitongole cy'ebyobuhingi okwera abahingi okuhinga mu bwingi.
Please take a mwekisumuruzu.
Omukoro gwo kubakwasa za tractors gwabahambuga nkuru ya district ya Kakumiro.
Oye naremoye. These tractors and implements remain the property of government. No one should touch that tractor. Our farmers are struggling to get private people to come and repair the tractors. A tracking system has been installed in the tractors. So, if tampered with, the tractors will be known.
Ikile kyoba kintu kishobora kukolera ika ikumi orunakuo kusikira umusiri gwako koze ubutekanizi. So yowe mama prime minister ngusabira abantu bano bagende babikose kurungi kandi bongere kubazihya entahya yabo bayitire entahya ki iya
Enganzi y'ihanga Robin Nabanja yarabura abebembezi ngo batashaba abantu sente zibatarukubasa.
This time government yegerekere a subsidized fee of 50,000 per acre, including fuel. Hence overcharging the people. There will not be any overcharging of people for personal gain.
And please, when they tell you what they have been trained on, you agree with them. Some beneficiaries, when it's time for service and the operator says it is due for service, says no, please first go the other side and finish the work. That's why the tractors are breaking down. We need, when they have advised you that it's due for service, they communicate to us and we send the engineers for service.
Bamwe ombebembezi za district basima government.
Kandi ebyokulima biri labor intensive nabo ekyo kiro kinu batwerekyo garukwamu ekyo kubinga obunaku tugenda kikwata muno na amani kandi ntera abantu bange bahima district tractors zino tutazikwata kubi.
Abantu bingi mu district za Bunyoro nka Kikube, Kakumiro, Kibale na Kagadi nibahinga bichori hamwe n'ebikeijo.
There is no person under the sun.
Omakura gandi nkomurengo gumwe go kutungura ebyobushobozi n'ebyoburamuzi mu ihanga abebembezi ba government ya Uganda ne ya Poland bakozira omukago wa ihanga lya Poland likirizibwe kureta sente bakatandikaho amakorero batihirwaho omushoro gwona.
So therefore, Your Excellency, I'm appealing to you that encourage the Polish business people down back home to come, first of all, see, but also bring me investment.
Support the private sector to drive growth and create jobs. Build and maintain strategic sustainable infrastructure in transport, housing, energy, water, industry and ICT. And strengthen good governance, security, and the role of the states in development.
I believe that in agribusiness, Uganda has a lot to offer, from coffee to tea to vanilla to dried fruits to fish. If there's a way that we can have a dedicated line so that this can come, it will be so greatly appreciated.
Ebyona biro mu ruterano rw'ebiro bibiri oruhindira har Golf Course Hotel omuri Kampala orwetabiremu abebembezi ku rwo mu government ya Uganda hamwe na ya Poland hamwe n'aba investors.
It will be great pleasure to see so many of you, the seniority of delegation here today, distinguished representatives from public and private sector. It shows how interested we are at exploring the opportunities of working together.
Aba baganira hakutungura omwanya aho bazikira ba Poland omuri Taro muri Masindi, factory y'amajyano muri Shema hamwe n'ebindi.
You are coming to a country that received some of your ancestors in their time of need. And a friend, you see him in time of need. This is the measure of true friendship between these two countries. This is eternal.
Gasha kwambro zunaga bakatoto na mai kwa tuashiri.